If you're seeing the "Your payment is pending" message on Netflix, don't worry. Here's a quick and simple way to fix it. Start by checking your internet connection. Whether you're using Wi Fi or mobile data, a weak or unstable connection can interrupt Netflix's payment verification. Make sure you're connected properly before trying anything else. Next, open the Play Store or App Store and search for Netflix. If an update button appears, tap it. Keeping the app updated helps prevent bugs that can trigger payment errors. If it only shows open, then you're already on the latest version. Now clear the app data. Long press the Netflix icon on your home screen, tap the app info option, then go to storage and cache. First hit clear cache, and then tap clear data. This removes temporary glitches that might be blocking your payment confirmation. After doing that, open your Netflix account in the app or through a browser. Go to account settings and check your payment details under membership and billing. Make sure your card hasn't expired or been declined. If needed, add a new card or switch to a different method like PayPal. And if you're still stuck, uninstalling and reinstalling the Netflix app can give you a fresh start and often fixes stubborn issues. That's all you need to do to solve the payment pending problem quickly.